In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Google Place ID, create Places API key, and get API key. One of the reasons why you need this is because you want to pull reviews from your Google business profile. First, let's find the place ID of a business. Now let's create an example. I'm going to find an existing business and find its place ID. Say New York Dental NY and see if this one exists. So there are three results. I'm going to select the third one. Now you want to find the value of the data.pid attribute because that is the place ID. So you want to find it by right clicking and inspect element. So hit Ctrl F and then search for data-pid. So you must find one instance of that attribute. As you can see, we found the place ID. Now we can copy it and use it on your project. Next, we want to create and get our API key. So we go to console.developers.google.com. We sign in. Next, click on select a project and create a new project. So let's name our project. So for this example, website 01 and hit create. Click view. Next, we need to enable two APIs, the Places API and the Maps API. Click on Enable button. Open Places API and Maps JavaScript API on a new tab. Now we go back to our API dashboard. Next, we need to get the API key. Click Credentials, create credentials, and click on API key. Done. Now you need to enable the billing account for this project. Unfortunately, Google now requires you to add your billing information to continue using the service. So click on the toggle menu and click on billing. Link a billing account. So you will be redirected to a form which you are going to fill out all the billing information. Once it's all done, you are ready to use your API key. Thank you guys for watching. Hit like if you liked this video and consider subscribing. See you in the next video.